Inflation. You hear about it everywhere, but what does it actually mean? Today, we're breaking down inflation in a way that's simple, clear, and backed by real economic data. Inflation is the general increase in prices across an entire economy. According to the Federal Reserve, it's the rate of increase in prices over a given period. When inflation rises, your money buys less. If inflation is 5%, something that cost $100 last year now costs $105. Economists measure inflation using the Consumer Price Index, or CPI. It tracks the prices of a basket of goods like food, housing, transportation, and medical care. Another measure is the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, or PCE. The Federal Reserve prefers PCE because it captures more categories of spending. The first cause is demand pull inflation, when demand for goods and services exceeds supply. The second cause is cost push inflation, when production costs rise and businesses raise prices to compensate. The third cause is built-in inflation, also known as the wage price spiral. Workers expect prices to rise, demand higher wages, and businesses raise prices to cover those wages. The Federal Reserve aims for 2% inflation. This level supports stable prices and a healthy economy. To control inflation, the Fed adjusts interest rates. Higher rates slow down borrowing and spending. Lower rates stimulate the economy. Inflation affects rent, groceries, gas, wages, savings, loans, and retirement planning. It shapes your financial reality every day. Think about the price of eggs, housing, or used cars over the last few years. Some increases were due to supply chain issues. Others were part of broader inflation trends. Inflation influences how far your paycheck goes, how much you can save, and how much you pay for loans. Understanding it helps you make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching. If you want more clear explanations of everyday topics, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video in this series.